Everyone, we'll continue to part 2 to make the amigurumi head. And now we are going to move to row 9. We are going to make one single crochet in every stitches. So there will be 48 single crochet. We're doing it in row 9 and then row 10, 11, 12, and 13. So there will be 5 rows. We're going just making one single crochet, and this is I already made 5 rows. Now we're going to move to row 14. In row 14 I'm gonna make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 single crochet, and then increase. I will repeat it again until 6 times. So at the end we will have 54 single crochet. Then we move to row 15. Okay, in row 15 we're gonna make one single crochet in every stitch. So we're going to make single crochet around. There will be 54 single crochet in this row 15 until row 19. There will be single crochet around, 54 single crochet for that row. Now in row 20 we're going to make 7 single crochet and then decrease for 6 times. 7 single crochet and then decrease for 6 times. So at the end we will have 48 single crochet in row 20. Okay, next we move to row 21. In row 21 we're going to make 4 single crochet and then decrease. 4 single crochet and then decrease. This is row 22. I'm sorry, row 21. 4 single crochet and then decrease. We're gonna repeat it for 8 times, and at the end of the row we will have 40 single crochet for row 21. Okay, we are going to continue to row 22. In row 22, we're going to make 2 single crochet and then decrease, 2 single crochet and then decrease. We are going to make this for 10 times. We'll continue to make that, and at the end of the row we're gonna have 30 stitches, 30 single crochet for row 22. 2 single crochet, decrease for 10 times, and then at the end of the row we are going to have 30 single crochet. Now we move to row 23. We're going to make 1 single crochet and then decrease, 1 single crochet and then decrease. We're going to do it 10 times. Single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease. So at the end of row 23 we're going to have 20 single crochet. Okay, we just continue single crochet, decrease for 10 times. Okay, this is the end of row 22. Make decrease, and then now we're going to take our fiber fill. We're gonna filling our head. Okay, first of all I will just give a mark so it won't lose the stitches, and then now I'm gonna take the fiber fill to fill it in. We just put it inside of the amigurumi head. Just fill it until full. Okay, now you can see the shape of the head. Okay, just fill it again. Okay, after this we can continue to crocheting to row 24. In row 24 we just decrease all the stitches, just decrease all the stitches for 10 times. So at the end of the row we will have 10 stitches for row 24. Decrease in all stitches. Now for row 25. Okay, this row 25 we're just doing SJ round, so there will be 10 single crochet in row 25. Then single crochet, we're going to repeat it until row 27. here, so it looks like the neck. Row 27, 10 single crochet in each stitch. 10 single crochet in each row. Okay, and the last row is row 28. We're still making 1 single crochet in each stitch. So it's almost finished. We don't have to fill the neck in here. It looks like neck. We don't have to fill this one. Okay, it's finished. Now we can cut the yarn off. Just cut it. Okay, this is the finishing that I always do. Okay, it's already finished. Now we can just tuck the neck into the head. Just tuck it like that, then just finish. So our head, it's almost done. Okay, you can just stick the eyes, the mouth, nose. It's done. The amigurumi head. Happy crocheting, everyone.